Hey everyone, welcome to Central Adventures. My name's Jesse. Today we're doing another accessory fitting in the Suzuki Jimny. Let's get started. So next to the 2 high, 4 high and 4 low shifter, there's this empty space of carpet right here. And in the Jimny, space is a luxury. So I grabbed one of these. This is a tray and cup holder accessory that fits perfectly into that space, and it just adds a little bit of extra storage that, you know, you can put an extra drink in, or your keys, or, you know, whatever else you've got that's in your pockets and you just need to put aside. So this tray is really nice. It's got some Velcro on there, and it's got some plastic fillings that kind of add a little bit of cushioning to the base of these trays. So that will go right on there with that Velcro. You just slide it underneath the handbrake and pop that in there, and that's great. It sits perfectly around that shifter, looks really good, and yeah, that's stuck in there with that Velcro. That's all done. Really easy to do. First impressions, it's staying there really nicely, and it's always nice to just have that little bit of extra storage in your Jimny. If you want to grab your own, I got mine for $22 on eBay. I'll link it in the description below. Keep in mind, if you are looking at getting one, there are 2 versions, because there's one for the automatic transmission and one for the manual transmission, because there are differences in the center console for the Jimny. I'll link a few versions of both, just so you can have a look around and decide for yourself. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you want to support the channel, subscribe, like the video, and share it with a friend. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's centraladventures_. That's the best place to contact me if you'd like to. If you want to support the channel directly, I have a Patreon. I've linked it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.